morning, you guys. I just woke up. I look a mess. I'm gonna be doing a day in the life of a signing agent today. I have a lot of signings today, so I'm gonna put my schedule up right here using my to-do list from my planners. This is what that to-do list looks like, and this is my schedule for today. All right, y'all, so this is the outfit for today. We're doing a cream on cream look. Coat's from H&M, shirt is from H&M, and pants is from Ross, but I feel like a doctor. So I have 6 signings today. Let's go make some money. Wanted to let you guys know that I just released some wellness gratitude journals on my site. So a lot of people said that my hustle planners were just a little bit too expensive, and I understand it's a small business that I went to who printed it out for me, and I wanted to put some journals up there that are daily journals. And not only that, but they're gratitude journals or they're self-care journals. And these are only $13, you guys. Recycled paper, they're super cute. You write down your acts of self-care, acts of kindness, the lesson you learned today. If you guys want a little bit of a more affordable daily planner that also kind of connects your mind, your body, and spirit, then go ahead and check out these on my website. Can't forget my coldest water bottle, because when you are talking for hours, your mouth gets dry. So this like keeps my water really cold throughout the day. So if you guys want one, I'll put the link down below. I want the all white one, but purple's good too. So let's go. All right, guys, so the time is now 10, you can see that, 10:46. As you can see, when I was showing you how far away it is, it was at 10:30. Oh, it's dark in here. It was at 10:30. I got here at 10:19. Probably got into his house at 10:21 because I had to walk to it. It's a condo. And what, 16 minutes? Maybe a little bit more. Pretty good for 120. So I don't have one until 2 p.m. My friend lives down the street, so we're gonna go to a coffee shop and just sit down and talk business and stuff. I'm on my way to UPS to drop off this one, and then the one I just did is in here, and I'm gonna drop that off with it. So I just got done eating lunch, and this is how far the next one is, and it starts at 2 o'clock, so I'll be there at 1:55. All right, was that a record? It is 2:24 right now. I think it said I was gonna be here at 1:57. Nah, I've done it quicker before. So I'm gonna go drop this off and go to the next person who's literally down the street. I know, yeah, just so people know I'm telling the truth, this is the actual amount I'm getting paid for this one loan. And this is the same price for all the other ones.
Bedroom apartment here in Bushwick, Brooklyn, where I paid $2,000.
All right, now that packet is dropped off, my next one is at 3 o'clock, and it is 16 minutes away. And then I can go home and print out the other 2 docs, which I haven't gotten any word that the last set of documents are in yet. So we got to see if they're going to send it on time. And then I have a notary one-on-one class to teach tonight. So if you guys still want some sessions from me to learn how to do what I do and make as much money as I do, then go ahead and give me an email, and I'll put my email address right here for you guys, and we can get you guys making a lot of money for just a little bit of time. I've been hitting records today. So it's 3:21. I got here at 2:55. Hitting records today. Can you believe making $120 only doing 20 minutes of work? I am now just getting the paperwork for my last signing, which is pushing me an hour back. So I'm just printing out right now, and I am going to skedaddle so I can get to my last signings and be over with this. Oh my God, this money. All right, I'm on the road again. Sometimes your paperwork is going to push your schedule back, push your signings back, and just make you have a late day. But 2 more left. I'm on my way. They've already been notified that their paperwork was late. They've already been notified that I'm gonna be late because of that. Everyone's good. Everyone's cool. Let's go make this last $200, $300, what is it, $200 or $300. All right, let's do this. No complaining. All right, it is 6:46. We got out of there pretty quick, and the next one is only 11 minutes away. Like I said, everything got pushed back because people's stuff was late, but if you guys can see that, It's 11 minutes away. So I'm going to be safe and not film while I drive. All right, the time is now 7:47. I am ready to go home. So I want to show you guys the ride home is 39 minutes. It's been a long day. Long day. Oops. But worth it. I mean, I might give you guys some closing remarks tomorrow, but right now I'm just ready to go home. All right guys, so I'm back home and I kind of just wanted to say something that's been on my mind recently, because it goes with the journey of wanting to quit your job and wanting to just feeling like you're stuck. Even when I loved my job at TJ Maxx, and if you follow me on Instagram, you see that I posted that I went to my old job to go shopping, and I had said that I was making like $100 to $122 a week at that job. I didn't dislike the job. I loved the job, but I still felt like a prisoner. And just thinking about how much freedom I have now. I can leave when I want to. I can drive anywhere. Like I can go get coffee for 3 hours like I did today. I finally feel free. And I no longer have to clock in to a job that I don't not like. Like, it wasn't a bad job. I loved the people there. I loved working at TJ Maxx. But the fact that I can walk out my door and no one asks or tells me that I can't. I don't know. It's just been thoughts that are heavy on my mind, and I thought that I would talk to you guys, since it's a vlog, about, you know, working for yourself, getting money for yourself. And I made, how much money did I make today? I made $580 today. I'm happy, and I want other people to feel that way. Like, I do what I do because I want to show people you can be free, you can do this, you can do this. You don't need a degree for this job. Anyway, thanks for listening to my rant. Let me know if you feel what I feel down below. All done with those. Now we got to print the other ones out. Y'all, keep stacks and stacks of paper because you are going to need it. So I just wanted to stop in and let you guys know that even though signing agent is a really good job and gives you a lot of money, it may not be your true passion. So I have a little insert for people who want to do online courses for learning and analyzing analytics on data. So I have a special sponsor with Data Camp. It has over 300 interactive courses online with video teachers and interactive learning as well. So if you've ever wanted to learn an introduction into Python, introduction to SQL, or introduction into data engineering, I hear engineering is a super good job that you want to be getting coming into the next years. They pay the top, they pay the most, and unfortunately, I don't know how to do engineering, but I'm pretty sure there's so many of you guys out there who could really benefit from something like this, and it's another way to add another stream of income once you start learning their lessons. And I know a lot of you guys don't know that there's actually opportunities. Like if you're really good at coding, or you want to start coding, or you really are interested in it, then I think you really should try out the first free class, because you could be making up to $141,000 just with the Python certification. Please look into it. Some jobs that you can get with some of these certifications, I'm going to use specifically the Python certification because you can't get that up there for their online courses, but some of them to list for you are right here. And one of those jobs does pay up to $141,000 a year. You can't beat it. Guys, this is a way for you to learn versatile programming language for people who love coding. This is a really good opportunity and a very good way to start making money once you start learning their lessons. A lot of these places now just want you guys to have a certification, and if you can do these classes, you can get a job. You'll be making way more money than me, and you could do the side job of signing agent, so you'll be making a lot of money. So go ahead and use my link down below to start Data Camp for free. All right, so we're at my first house, and my 4 o'clock said that they can move up to like 2 o'clock. So once I get done with this, I'll probably explore a little bit around here and then go to the other one that wants to do earlier, which is cool. While I was on my way, look what I scored. Ooh! I can't wait to get home so I can start decorating. My back is just full of decorations. This is what happens when you have a lot of time to yourself because your job is awesome. So my next one is at 2:30. Well, it was actually supposed to be at 4 o'clock, but we moved it to 2. After this one, I'm gonna go home, unload my car with all of this stuff. I have everybody's paperwork except for one. I finished in a record time. Still have 2 more to do today. It's gonna take me 37 minutes to get home. All right guys, after all that shopping, after all of the decorating, if you watch my Instagram, you would have seen that I was decorating in between all of this. Maybe I'll post like some Instagram stories. And now I'm at my signing. 226. Is this 226? Okay, this is 226. All right, so I gotta park. All right, I'm going home. It is 18 minutes away. I want to try to get to the UPS office before they close. It says I'm going to be home at 7:02, which means I can get to the UPS office probably at 6:50. So I want to get these out of my hands as quick as possible. But she was so much fun to talk to. You guys, it doesn't feel like work when you can just sit down and have conversations with people. I got to UPS a little bit too late, so I cannot send off the paperwork tonight, so we have to do tomorrow. So I'm gonna just go in and start doing my payroll and send it off so I can get that money. Also, I wanted to let you guys know that I am now starting to put in just normal journals onto my website. So you can either get the Hustle Planner or you can just get a normal journal for a little bit less money than the Hustle Planner. I know that it can be a little bit expensive. Small businesses, working with other small businesses to create products, it can be a little expensive. So I decided to just start adding like really pretty journals up there. I am a journaler. Like I said, you should be writing down all of your goals, writing down all of your plans, your future plans. How do you feel? Manifesting what you want. So I just want to let you guys know that these are now on the site. So if you want to support a small business, get your hand on a journal. It's just normal. It even has the date on the side of it. Then check out my website below. I don't want to show you guys their names and stuff, but this is all of my Excel sheets for this one company, and the total is almost 3,000 just for this one company, and I still have to do 2 other ones, so I'm gonna go take a shower first. It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it.